Hi guys, welcome back. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the additional. Not in today's newspaper. Today it's actually Sunday. Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. No, it's the Saturday edition, weekend edition, August the 5th, 2023. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku. So 3 puzzles remain: the binary, the tectonic, in Dutch they call it cyberblock, in Japanese suguru, and we have this one, the tectonic with 4 stars. 4 stars Sudoku number 6875. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This puzzle has 25 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Yes, or more to solve. That's my time limit. All right. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 1, 2. We have here 4 3s. All right. 2 4s. 1, 2 5s. 3 6s. 4 7s. Wow. And 3 8s and 2 9s. So the 3s and the 7s are in majority. Can I start with the 3? Yeah, 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places level 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 3, okay. 3 3 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 3. I cannot continue with the 3 now. I need to wait. Yeah, need to wait. 7. I cannot start with the 7 or so. Need to wait. 7 7, okay. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And now I can continue with the 3. 3 in the last column. 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. So I need a 3 there. Here also a 3. Cannot continue with 3 now. Need to wait. Okay, 6 6. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 8 8. Yeah, I'm thinking. 9 9 9 9. 1 1 1. 5 5 5. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these. A 3 box, so 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. So 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 1 4 5, 1 4 5, 1 4 5, 1 4 5. And look, we have a 4 and a 5 in the second row, so no 4 and a 5 in this box. 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. Alright. 3 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers are: the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2, 6, 9. 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9. And look, we have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. Here, 6 in the third column. No 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. So the 2 and the 9 are left. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 6, 6. Okay. 6 in the third column. 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6, okay. 6, 6. Well. 1, 1. How about a 5? 5, 5, 5, 5. Well. 5, 5. Well. Let me think. 1, 1. Yeah. 2, 2. 2, 2. The hotbot. 8, 8. We have a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and 8. We have a 2 and 8 in this big square, so no 2 and 8 in these 3 boxes. The 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. So what are the other 3 missing numbers? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 4, 6, 9. 4, 6, 9, 4, 6, 9, 4, 6, 9. And look, we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes and a 6 in this column. So no 4 and a 6 in this box. 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in the last column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 4 goes there, so 1 digit left in this row for number 9. Alright. 1 in this column, 1 in a column next. So last column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5, 5, 5, 2, 7, 5, 2, 7. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. And the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 9 goes in there. Need a 4 here. And I need a 9 there. Need a 3 here. Mm-hmm. 5. Need 8. Well. Here we have a 2 and a 9. 2 and a 9. Come on. 9, 9, 9, 9. No 9 here. 9, 9. No 9 here. 4 missing numbers in the first column. 1 of the missing number in the first column is a number 9. Here can be 9 because we have 9 in this row. No 9 there. Here can be 9 because we have 9 in this row. No 9 there. So the 9 in the first column could be here, could be there. Here or there. We see another 9 in the third row. So no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this first row. 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this second row for number 1, the 2 is missing. Four missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in the third column, so no 2 in these two boxes. Yeah, 2 in this row, no 2 in those two boxes. So one box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. Then. 2, 2. Well. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the number 1. Here can be a 1 because we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. Here can be a 1 because we have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. Here can be a 1 because we have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. Only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1, okay. 2, 8, and 5 is missing here. Need a 5 here. Okay. Need a 2 here, need a 1 there. How about the 6? Need a 6 here. Well, we have a pair. The 2 and a 6 in this row. The 2 and a 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So now 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in the middle column. No 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in the first row for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5 are missing. We have a 5 in the first column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4 in this big square. We have a 4 in the third column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have 8 in the last row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next down, need 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 and the 6, we have a 6 now in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes in there. Then. Wait, 7. Well, and now, let me think. 2, 5, 7. Well. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 9, okay. How about the 4? 4 in this column, third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 4, okay. How about the 2? 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Then, well, the 5 and the 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this column. Second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes in there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So third column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. So 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, and 8. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 place left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, same numbers. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Wow. 4 stars. No. 3 stars. No, let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. Man, I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.